The general perception is that all oils are fatty and consuming oil will just increase your weight. But not all oils are created equal. Olive oil is one of such oils that have plenty of health benefits. So, in this short video, we will share with you a little-known health secret about how consuming olive oil every morning shall help you have a better and healthier body. Olive oil is a widely popular and healthy option for cooking and dieting. It is extracted from the fruit of the olive tree, and it is a key component of the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet is considered one of the healthiest diets in the world, and they sprinkle a little olive oil in almost everything they eat. There are different types of olive oil available in the market. The healthiest olive oil is called extra virgin olive oil. It is also the most famous type of olive oil that gives the maximum health benefits. Olive oil has plenty of health benefits, but one of the main reasons why it is famous is its ability to help with weight loss. A number of studies have shown that if you consume olive oil, you can feel fuller for a longer period of time. This would help you to reduce your overall calorie intake and help you to lose the excess weight. By consuming olive oil, you would also be having a better metabolism. With a higher metabolism, you would burn more fats naturally. Olive oil contains healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that can help to reduce inflammation and improve heart health. In addition to its weight loss benefits, olive oil is also a great source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help to protect against chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. Apart from fighting off chronic diseases, the antioxidants available in olive oil are also beneficial if you want to slow down your aging process. High antioxidants have been linked to maintaining a youthful and fresh appearance. Another reason why we feel that daily consumption of olive oil is pretty important is because olive oil contains vitamin E and K. These essential nutrients help to keep the shine in your skin, hair, and nails. It would also help your sex drive and sexual functions. Consuming olive oil regularly would also reduce your chances of contracting type 2 diabetes. Olive oil also helps the pancreas to take care of the insulin levels in the body. So, as you see, there are plenty of benefits of consuming olive oil. Even if you are just aiming for weight loss, there are other benefits to olive oil. These benefits shall help you directly as well as indirectly towards your journey of weight loss. When you are choosing your olive oil for the diet, it is important to look for extra virgin olive oil, which is the highest quality and least processed form of olive oil. There would be a significant price difference between the extra virgin olive oil, as well as the pure and refined olive oil. You can buy whichever type of olive oil that fits your budget and consume it for at least 30 days to see the difference yourself. It is also important to use olive oil in moderation, as it is still a high-fat food that contains calories. Consumption of olive oil is pretty simple. You can take 1 teaspoon of olive oil in the morning on an empty stomach and 1 teaspoon of olive oil at night before you sleep. Drink 1 glass of warm water after you take a teaspoon of olive oil. This would help to neutralize the taste as well as help it to get digested by the body. We have listed one of the most famous and the best extra virgin olive oil suppliers in our description. You can use the link to purchase the olive oil directly online at a special price. Hope this video has helped you out to achieve a better understanding of how olive oil can help you to lose the excess weight. Share this video to friends and families who are trying to lose weight. Olive oil might be the secret they need to boost their diet. We have more health secrets coming up. Hope to see you in our next videos. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.